Welcome back. This is page 28 of Strictly Strings, learning staccato bowing and Baroque style. So, eighth notes, eighth rest. That is part of the new vocabulary. An eighth rest is a little curly cue with a flag on a line, and there's no circle, no fold-in round circle to make it a note. It's a rest and there's no note in it. And staccato, the dots mean to play the notes short. So, the Baroque style, a way of playing music written around 1600 to 1750, which uses staccato bowing. J.S. Bach is the most famous of the Baroque composers. So, number 1, 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and. Now we've got a round with Ruben and Rachel. I don't have somebody to play the round with me, so maybe you guys can do it. Number 2, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. And repeat. Hey. Number 3, we've got a pickup, and it's 2 eighth notes. 2 eighth notes to pick up, and there's a slur. So the pickup is 1, 2, 2, and 3, and 4. So that is the pickup. It starts on beat 4. March from Peasant's Cantata by Bach. First time loud, second time soft. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and. Now, up on a housetop, it's Christmas time. Number 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. on a housetop. Okay. Number 5, it's another pickup, and it's got 2 8th notes for a pickup. And it's the theme from Masterpiece Theater. So, the trumpet voluntary. 1 and 2 and 3 and... First repeat. Second repeat. So that was it for page 28, learning staccato bowing and Baroque style. If you liked it, please like, subscribe, share, and comment. And we've got the next video up there. This is the Violin Lessons channel, signing out. Thank you.